Hi, this is Ivan with Simple Sheets. In this video, we're going to do a step-by-step tutorial of our gap analysis template. This is one of over 100 pre-built and smart templates that we offer. Click the link in the description and try 5 free templates before you buy. Before we get started, help us grow this channel by giving us a thumbs up if you like this video, and by subscribing to Simple Sheets. The introduction sheet contains a short description about this template, some definitions of the key terms used in this template. Over here, we have a customization difficulty, an explanation of the sheets that come with this template, and some instructions on how you can utilize this template. At the bottom, we have a short guide on using our templates with compatible online services. Every company is most effective when it sets goals for itself. It's even more effective when they stick to them and achieve them. This template enables you to determine how to best achieve your goals by comparing the current state that your business is in with your goals. Starting in the database sheet, input your company standards that will be used in the succeeding sheets. Input the departments, the gap answers, list of priority types, and the completion list. Once you're done there, head over to the gap analysis sheet. In the table, input the objectives or tasks, the current state that the objective is in, the ideal or goal state, whether or not there is an identified gap between the current and ideal, and a description of the gap. Input the department, the action required, and the target finish date. You will get the remaining days till the finish date automatically. Depending on the progress, update the completion rate, and lastly, set the priority. You're basically done. On top, you have a small dashboard to help you visualize your data. You have a chart which shows you the number of objectives you have by priority, the number of objectives per department, and the remaining days to completion versus the completion progress per objective. You also get some slicers to help you filter the chart data by gap identified, related department, and priority. Whenever you add new data, hit the refresh macro button to update your charts. You also get the full screen macro button to hide your ribbons for a larger work area. That's all for this template. If you want to automate your Excel processes and enhance your level of productivity, Simple Sheets, Advanced Templates, and University is the best tool out there. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Simple Sheets content. I'll see you guys on the next one.